to harvest some of the garlic today. A storm's coming in and I'm tired of getting rained on, and it looks like it's ready to harvest. So I'll show you guys a little bit after I pull some of it out. They grew together. It's weird. How many of these are gonna be savable? It's like digging for buried treasure. It's harder than you'd think.
Aspen, leave the chickens alone.
Almost got this one. Well, maybe not. Might be okay. I don't know if any of these are savable or if I can braid them, but I might try to cure them for a few days and then braid them. I've never done that before, so we'll see. This one's totally failed because it's in between the horseradish and the weeds.
Yeah, we've had a ton of volunteer horseradish this year from the people who lived here before us.
Super fun. It didn't start popping up until after I planted the garlic and started growing. I didn't know it was over here at all. But the chickens like it, so. Garlic. Don't know if that's savable. We'll see. This one might be okay. This is the easiest one yet. There's already like a hole down there. It came up really easy. It's not easy. Oh, those are garlic chives. I forgot. Just getting stuff out of the way. These are the garlic chives. Oh, the weeds. These are my onions. They're not ready yet, but they're starting to look like onion size. Some of them are too close together. I don't think I planted them that close together, but I think a lot of the hail and wind and rain pushed them together and they grew like that. Some of them by themselves are doing okay, like that one, except there's a weed I gotta get. I don't know what these are exactly, but they're everywhere. These little vining plants. You got one? Woohoo. Thanks. Aspen, what are you doing? Are you helping? No? Okay. I'm pretty sure the chickens are trying to eat your snap peas.
Aspen, go get those chickens. Go get them.
So what does that mean?
Aussies are supposed to be really smart, but I think we got a broken one.
This should be all of them. Pretty small. It could be due to planting them in the spring. The fact that when I bought the garlic cloves, they were already small. Or just inconsistent watering with the hail and everything going on. I don't know, but this is what we got. And now we start the curing process and see if I can maybe learn how to braid them. Some of these these look kind of rotted. I don't know about these. Some of them grew together like these, and they're really small and weird looking. This one, they might not be savable. I don't know. I'll look into it. Maybe I can use them fresh. But this is all of them. I don't know if I'm going to plant something else here or not right now. We usually get winter pretty early here, so we'll see. Take the top layer off right here, gets the dirt off, and it'll still cure while it's clean. So that's what I've been doing here. I just take this one and peel it off, and then I'll put it on a rack and let it sit for a while before I figure out how to braid them. If I can't figure out how to braid them, I will just let them cure out for, I think, 2 weeks to a month is what they say. These are just the garlic chives. This isn't where they're staying. I'm gonna get rid of that, I think. I don't know that these are fully formed, but they were definitely dying back enough that I needed to harvest them. I'm gonna do some more research about what I can do with them if for some reason these aren't ready. And I'll keep you guys updated on what I end up doing with these. I'm gonna leave these here for now until I find a better spot. If this works, I'll just keep them here until I can figure out if I can braid them or not, or what I can do with them. Update soon.